Hey guys, we all know that my SLICK SL51 is my most played and most favorite guitar. Well, it's finally happened. The guitar's finally let me down. Now for the last few months I've been cheating a bit. I've been having to shim the strings in the nut with a little aluminum foil to stop some fret buzzing. But now we actually have to address this and solve the problem. Now two tasks on the guitar I absolutely dread. One of them is a refret, and the other thing is anything to do with the nut. Because it seems that anything to do with the nut is one of the highest art forms that can possibly be undertaken. Now I'm going to take a shortcut. I have a TUSQXL nut on hand. I originally bought it for one of my Ibanez guitars, but it is pretty close to the size that I need for my SLICK SL51. So it's about to get real. Now the first task was to pop the old nut off using a small hammer and a block of wood, and then clean up the nut slot of any extra glue or other material with a file. Now the old nut has a flat bottom, and you can see from the close-up that the strings had worn down a couple of the string slots, and this is probably my own fault. I really like exploring alternate tunings, and so I'm constantly retuning the guitar. Now the new nut is just a little bit short. As I said, I bought it for my Ibanez, and so I have to raise it just a touch, and so for that I folded up some aluminum foil and used that to shim the nut. Now of course this quick and dirty approach isn't the final story. I'm working on hand carving a bone nut for the guitar and building my skills so that I can get a more professional result. In any event, this has been a great confidence builder, and the true surprise was putting in this new nut has made a really big change in just how nicely my SLICK SL51 actually plays, and it was a great player before. I'm Scott, hope you found this interesting, and I'll see you next time.